Action.
Okay, part 2 of this very exciting moment, Jane, is okay, we've got the new stylus which I've just opened. Here it is. This is it. That's my little stylus, okay? And with a bit of luck, so we've got the amplifier. I'm not going to do the same mistake this time. I've got the amplifier on. It's on phono. We've got the speaker set up. The wires are connected. The turntable goes round, like so. Okay. You are enthralled, aren't you? And now what we've got to do is put the new stylus in to the little holder like that. Hopefully it will fit. I haven't done this yet. This is live.
Perhaps you need both your glasses on.
Oh yeah, good idea. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay, so that's going into position like so. Now it should have another nut and bolt here to hold it steady, and I will do that later on, but I'm so eager.
Do you think anyone's actually bothered?
What? You're joking? Of course they are. So this hopefully just plugs in. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Right. That's in position. Ooh. Okay. And we're going to put on. Now this is Jane Odell's record player. And this is her record as well, so I thought it was apt. Elvis Costello, let's see, let's go for Good Year for the Roses, great song. So we're going to put that on there. This is live, ladies and gentlemen. Turn it on. Okay. Oh. Here goes. So that lifts up, move it across. It might not be lined up, well it probably isn't lined up properly, but good enough. Down it goes. Okay, no sound, but that's because the volume of the amplifiers. Oh, it's not working again. Oh no.
Action.
Well, I'm very frustrated by all this, but just to let you know what I'm doing, you can see I've now turned the turntable on. I think the problem is with the arm and the cable that goes from the arm to the amplifier. So what I don't know is whether I've taken all this apart. This is the tone arm. What I don't know how to do is the stylus goes into the cartridge goes onto that. I've taken off the nuts, but I can't get it off. So I can't actually see whether their wires are there and they're connected. The wire should go from down this tube and then from the end of the tube down this tube. You're not bored, are you? I can't believe it. And then it goes from there to the amplifier. So I've got a feeling I'm going to need to ask for help.
Action.
Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's now the next morning, and I've put everything back together again. And well, I haven't got quite to the bottom of it, but anyway. The thing is, right, I'm going to demonstrate, turn it on, and I took everything apart and put it back together again, so there might have been a loose connection or something, and turn that up, and lower it down. When lights grows inside. Wow. But it's only coming out of one channel, and so that could be one of the connections with the stylus to the cartridge isn't right, or the cartridge to the wire down here isn't right, or it could be simply that the speakers haven't been connected correctly to the amplifier. And I can figure that out by swapping the cables around and seeing if it comes out on the other speaker, or I don't know, I'm not quite sure. But anyway, the main thing is, listen to that. Ta-da. And that's the end of it. Well, not quite the end of it, but nearly the end of it.
Cut.